Hey there, language learners. Welcome to another exciting lesson where we dive into the world of letters and sounds. Today, I'm going to help you master the letter N. This letter is not only essential in the English language, but it's also fun to learn and pronounce. The letter N is one of the 26 letters of the English alphabet, and it's pretty easy to pronounce once you get the hang of it. It's used in many common words, so getting it right is very important. So let's dive right in. Are you ready to explore the sound and words of the letter N? First things first, let's talk about how to make the sound of the letter N. Understanding the mechanics of the sound will make it easier for you to pronounce it correctly. To pronounce N, place the tip of your tongue against the ridge just behind your upper front teeth. This position is crucial for making the correct sound. Then, let the air flow through your nose. This might feel a bit different if you're not used to nasal sounds, but with practice it will become second nature. It's a nasal sound, which means the air comes out through your nose. This is what gives the letter N its unique sound. Try it with me. Great job. Feel the vibration in your nose? That's how you know you're doing it right. Now, let's practice with some words that start with the letter N. These words will help you get comfortable with the sound. Repeat after me. Night. This word is often used to describe the time when it's dark outside. Notice, name, nice, excellent. Each of these words starts with the N sound, and they're all very common in everyday language. Did you notice that each word starts with the N sound? This is a great way to remember how to pronounce it. Let's try a few more. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Repeat after me. Nest. This word refers to a bird's home, neighbor, number, nature. Well done. These words are also very common and useful. Sometimes the letter N can be a bit tricky, especially when it's in the middle or at the end of a word. But don't worry, with practice, you'll get it. Let's try a word where N is in the middle. This can be a bit more challenging, but it's a great way to improve your skills. Let's try a word where N is in the middle. Repeat after me. Dinner. This word is used to describe the main meal of the day. Repeat after me. Dinner, winner, banner. Perfect. These words will help you get used to the N sound in different positions. Winner, banner. Perfect. You're doing an amazing job. Now, let's try a word where N is at the end. This can be a bit tricky, but with practice, you'll get it. Repeat after me, fan. This word is used to describe a device that creates a current of air. Can, sun, run. Fantastic. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the better you'll get at pronouncing the letter N. The more you practice, the better you'll get at pronouncing the letter N. Try to use words with N in your daily conversations. Try to use words with N in your daily conversations. This will help you become more confident in your pronunciation. It will help you become more confident in your pronunciation. The more you use it, the more natural it will feel. All right, before we wrap up, let's do a quick recap. This will help reinforce what we've learned today. The letter N is pronounced by placing the tip of your tongue against the ridge just behind your upper front teeth and letting the air flow through your nose. This is the key to making the correct sound. Practice with words like night, notice, and name. These words will help you get comfortable with the N sound. Don't forget to also practice words where N is in the middle or at the end, like dinner and fan. These words will help you master the N sound in different positions. You've done an amazing job today. Keep practicing and you'll master the letter N in no time. Keep practicing and you'll master the letter N in no time. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye. Keep up the great work and continue practicing your pronunciation.